Hi everyone, this is Fagun Shah from Integration Lab. Today we are going to see a way that will autofill the client detail from the swipe pages form on Instmaojo. Okay, so the main goal was that after submitting a form on swipe pages, client also need to submit the details on Instmaojo payment page as well, right? So we don't want to do that, right? And we also don't want to let our clients detail go before they make or don't make the payment, right? So one of the client had this kind of use cases, and I created one of the use cases for him. Not exactly the swipe pages, he was using some other builder, right? But we can do that the same thing in the swipe pages as well, right? So let me show you how exactly it works, right? So Shah Fagun, and I will select India as a country. And yeah, by the way, don't call on this number. I will just not answer that because that number is for personal use only. Okay, so I am clicking on register now, and now you can see it is showing thank you first, and then you can see it is directly showing me the Instmaojo link. It is not asking me to enter my name, phone number or email address, right? And I am just going to make the payment via particular UPI, okay, which is the best payment method right now in the world, which is available only in India, I think so for now. Okay, so the payment is made from my mobile now, and yeah, payment is successful, and now it will be redirect to my website. Okay, so this is what we wanted to do, right? Also, client also received the email requesting the payment, right? They also have an option for SMS, but somehow it is not working, and they are saying that they have stopped that service. Okay, so same goes for the expiration date as well. They need to get back to me with the support answer. Okay, so till then let's focus on other things, right? So in the swipe pages you need to create a form, and instead of using webhook to passing the data to Pabbly Connect, you need to use redirect URL, and you need to toggle this thing on, add leads to URL, that will basically send the whole data to Pabbly Connect, right here, something like this. Okay, and in the second step we are just splitting the phone number to get the 10-digit phone number, right? You can do more processing as well. Now in the third step is the main step where we are generating the payment request link. Okay, and in order to do that, Pabbly already has this thing, but they don't have the phone number field, right? So that is the issue. But what we are going to use newer API version of Instmaojo, and we are going to use phone number field as well, right? So first you need to enter the amount, then the purpose, okay, then the buyer name, email and phone number. These three things will be coming from the swipe pages, right? Then the redirection URL where you want to redirect after the payment is successful. Okay, then the webhook URL, just for testing purpose I have added the webhook.site URL, but you can add another Pabbly Connect URL as well. Okay, then do you want to allow repeated payment on this link, yes or no? Yeah. Then send email, yes, that's why I received the email with the payment request link, right? Send SMS, it is not working. Same for the expiry, but I have kept those field. Okay, just in case they get back to me that if I need to send data in some format, then I will just change the description of those fields in here. Okay, so till then ignore these two fields for now. Okay, but yeah, once you do that you get this response. Okay, and here is the thing which we need to use, which is long URL. Okay, and then we are just redirecting it. So remember, I didn't use the webhook URL. Instead of using webhook URL, I use the redirect URL, and I place the Pabbly webhook URL in here. If I hit end key, you can see it is a webhook URL, right? And it is automatically adding leads detail at the end of that particular thing, right? So after that it is doing some process in here to generate the link, and then it is ultimately redirecting it to newly generated dynamic link. So when I submit the form, it will redirect me to my dynamic link. When you submit the form, it will redirect you to your dynamic link. Okay, so how do I know that? So here, if we go to payments, now if I refresh this, there should be another payment as well, right? So here you can see another payment, and this is the exact details I have entered there, right? So it works. And yeah, this is what basically I wanted to show you. Now this is a custom app, this part. Okay, so I will leave the link of that custom app in the description. I will also ask Pabbly team to update the action if possible from their side, okay, and deprecate the old one. So you can directly use the Instmaojo from Pabbly team as a app, right? And yeah, this is how it works. You can also capture the successful or failed payment data on this particular webhook, whichever you set in here, right? So that process is still going on, right? So this is working fine, and you also get all the benefits. So client don't need to enter their information multiple times. Okay, now what happens if I don't enter the phone number but I enter other two details, right? If I enter name and email but I don't enter the phone number, in that case it will ask the client for the phone number only. It will still fill out other two details. Okay, so let's open this thing. Sorry for the background noise. Yeah, so here you can see the name and email address are auto filled and not editable, but you can still enter the phone number and go ahead. Okay, next, and here you can select any other payment option or whatever you like, right? So yeah, this is how it works basically. And you also get the email. Here you can see I got the third email as well, automation service. This is the purpose we added, right? So it is very easy to give client pre-filled links if you already have the client details via some other form. Okay, so just keep that in mind. Give client one more field or three more fields to enter the details, right? Hope you like this video, and I am also going to submit this video in Pabbly Connect FB groups automation November challenge, right? So if you haven't submitted the video, please do that as well and win your $50 reward as well. Okay, till next video, bye bye for now. Make sure you hit subscribe button and press the bell icon. Thank you, bye bye.